Hello everyone. It's a day of inspiring stories. A drone family, rather. One of the pioneers of drones in India for the last 1 decade. People who had rich experience and background of flying. So with me is Air Vice Marshal Shankar Mani, retired from Indian Air Force. His story itself is interesting, and there we have a young man, Vineet, who is part of Amos, and his mother, squadron leader
Varsha.
and she's also retired from Indian Air Force. And in fact, her husband, Group Captain Augustin, retired, a very active man on Twitter, social media. I follow him. So it's an Air Warriors family and doing a lot of things. So let's straight away start with AVM sir. For the people who do not know about you guys, can you give a nice takeoff like the way you took off the fighters?
Okay, hello. As you said, I'm Air Vice Marshal Shankar Mani. We are one of the pioneers of the drones in the country. We have about rich experience of around 10 years. And first 5 years went in R&D. And the last 5 years was after we registered our company. We are into production and sales. We have drones starting from the very miniature drone, which can be fire and forget sort of a thing for voice in. It can be launched up to 700 meters. And we have drones of a huge size which can be launched up to 700 kilometers with a payload of around 20 odd kgs, or 350 kilometers of radius of action. And we have application all across the different spectrum, be it the Army, Navy, Air Force, BSF for perimeter security, or anything for that the customer wants. We have the ability and the capacity to design and develop it and produce it. We also have few verticals in the sense that we are into agricultural drones application, into fisheries, into construction sector, into survey sector, and so on and so forth. And sky is the limit. And now we are exploring options to promote our drones for the Indian Navy. Also, our drone, this is a very unique drone, which is one of its kind, a tethered drone, which has flown in Galwan for 72 hours of non-stop operation. Okay. And at minus 55 degrees Celsius.
Right.
Now it's being tried out at on tank trials at Ahmednagar with about plus 50 degrees Celsius and beyond.
So we need, a lot of youngsters, startups, all now into drones in a big way. So inspiring to chase their stories. What is your role in this company? And maybe you could just take a small drone and explain the features.
Absolutely, sir. I'll start off with a bit of a background myself.
Okay.
As you already said, I am the founder's child. So this is also the founder's child.
All right.
And one child is handling another child.
So were you also naughty like a drone when you were young?
No. Both of my parents are Air Force officers, so I was...
That was just a joke, okay?
No, I was kept in order.
All right.
Okay,
So a drone under control.
absolutely, that's what we are looking after here.
Okay.
So yeah, I manage the business development here. I graduated 2 days ago from St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. I don't have a formal background in engineering, but I've been flying drones since I was 7. My father is a fighter pilot, so aviation is in my blood. And
Flying drones in 7 years? Where?
everywhere. I am an avid aero modeler as well.
So in Kochi, the police doesn't have any issues?
Now they do. So I have a drone license as
I
well.
hope that you guys are not watching the Kerala police.
No, but I have a license, Kerala Police, so I can fly. I have a drone license. One of my team member also has a drone license. Yeah, and I'll also explain about our this particular drone.
All right, so here comes one drone for you to explain. So what is this? What are the features?
This is the smallest drone that we currently make. So this has a range of 300 meters, and this is used for voice intelligence. It can sneak into any place and get you the voice intelligence. So this has a variety of applications. Maybe let's say Indian Army can use it, or some intelligence agency can use it.
And and how long it can fly?
It can fly for maximum for 7 minutes, but either 300 meters to come and go, or 700 meters straight, so that it can be destroyed.
So, over to squadron leader Varsha. Yeah, okay. So, ma'am, so what is that? So, what is the? You want to explain any drones to us? Anything which?
See, my take on drones is that it's just a vehicle, and our capability from in our firm is that you tell us your requirement, and we'll make it a sports car or normal a hatchback or crane, because we have the capability of mixing the two together and bringing you your type of drone.
Very interesting to hear. So, the future, we are now at a time where you can tailor-made, make the drones the way you want. Look where the technology is going. Okay, so how many of the drones, already in service now, or it's still in the process?
In this platter, we have very few here, but we have around 20 types of drones which are ready for scale up. So they are all tested, and they are fixed wing also, VTOL, and mostly they are used for surveillance and training. My personal favorite is training. I want to train each and every youngster so that he has a license when the whole rules and regulation comes in. Every person has a licensed drone with a number, and he can fly without fear.
Oh, that's interesting. So, all the young fellows watching this, you know where to knock. If you have any questions, answers, doubts on drones, I think whatever little bit I have heard and read, Amos, because the kind of rich experience they have in flying, because different kind of you would say different kind of
Background.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe
Right from aircraft manufacturing, because I was the director LCA induction, and also a member of the formation aerobatic team. Gusty's got a very rich experience of flying Mirages. I got rich experience of flying Sukhoi 30, MiG-21. Started off with the MiG-21.
Okay, so quickly to take a thing, you said about the aerobatic team.
Yeah, I was one of the founder members of the Indian Air Force aerobatic team Thunderbolts.
Okay.
And served in it for good about in excess of 4 years, and saw through three CEOs, commanding officers.
So when you see these young guys flying Surya Kirans, and you still feel that thing,
they are my grandchildren. Yeah. So it's it's a very nostalgic moment when you see them. And yes, when I was a chief flying instructor, Gusty was my pupil.
Do you miss flying?
Oh, definitely, yes.